Hello everybody, Saachi is back again. I'm back with Crack the List. So, do you know what is a list? A list is some item of thing. We have got a loop, but this time it's repeating for the end list, for the list that we have made. And it's printing this variable and plus one. See what will run. So it added 1 to 10, which is 11. 9 to plus 1, it added number to every single number that was in the list. I could check in this as and add minus. So now it is taking away the amount. I could try multiply also, and I could try division also. So see, it has multiplied also, and it can divide too. So see, it divided by 1. It all got correct. So stay tuned. I'll be back with more Crack the Codes. So hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.